If your DTF printer isn't working well, don't worry, I'll share with you how to maintain it. We need to have a clean cloth and a bottle of detergent ready. Number 1. We wipe the rubber ring under the nozzle. Don't forget the scraper next to it. Number 2. Pour the cleaning solution into the rubber ring. After cleaning, the waste ink will be discharged into the waste ink bottle. Number 3. Let's clean the plating rollers. Our maintenance is complete. If you have more questions, please contact us. Thank you for watching.